Let me quickly explain how we can use the Pro mode on a POCO M8. So once you open the camera and go to the Pro mode, here at the bottom we can find a bunch of different presets. And let me quickly explain what they do. So at first we have EV, which is exposure, and this slider allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your photos. It's a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker, and this is the only option that is not automatic, so you can always, and you have to always, adjust it manually. Besides that, we have the shutter speed, which decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speed lets in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion, and fast speed freezes action. So this is how we can adjust it in here. And of course we can tap on A in order to set it to automatic. And then we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions. But if you add too high ISO, then in that case you can add grain or noise to your photos. We have WB, which is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural. Over here we can move left and right in order to adjust the color temperature. The lower the value, the more bluish the photo will be, and the higher the value is, then the more orange-ish it will be. Besides that, we have the focus, of course, which allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo. So first we have like macro objects, and then the more we move to the right, then more we focus on bigger objects. And that is pretty much it in terms of these presets. You can also tap on this icon on the left side in order to find saturation, contrast, and sharpness. Also here on the right side we have filters. In the upper right corner you can also enable 50 megapixel camera quite easily. And if you swipe over here where we have our parameters, we can also find Pro mode presets. So whatever you set up in here, it can be saved as a preset in this place. It is also possible to share these presets with other people by tapping on these three dots, and then over here we have this arrow over here, and that comes out of the rectangle, and there we go. This is how we can send it to someone, and then of course we can import it quite easily as well. And that is about it. Subscribe to my channel.